This is Centered Home, a residence designed by Aanda plus HYCArch, located in Los Angeles, United States. The house blends minimalism with natural harmony, featuring a rectilinear form clad in charred shou sugi band siding. A dense San Pedro cacti screen creates privacy while complementing the lush landscape. Inside, the design embraces concentric organization, a private core, a communal space, and an open connection to nature. Large windows frame the surroundings, merging indoor and outdoor living. This 2,200 square foot home, completed in 2022, is a masterpiece of balance between solitude and social interaction. The living area features an open-plan design with skylights, full-height glazing, and minimalist furnishings. A monochrome palette contrasts with vibrant geometric artwork, enhancing spatial depth and harmony. The kitchen features a sleek black island contrasting with soft wood flooring and white paneled cabinetry. Recessed lighting and skylights enhance the airy, modern aesthetic. The dining area features a minimalist wooden table paired with colorful drop-shaped chairs. Large windows and skylights enhance natural light, creating an open, airy atmosphere. The bedroom features a geometric wooden ceiling with a central skylight, enhancing natural light. Minimalist furnishings and soft lighting create a serene, modern retreat. For more views of the house and its floor plan, check out the following images.